Hi dear, how are you? Today we are doing the dance Everytime It Rains. 32 counts for low, high, intermediate. There are 3 restarts. The first one involved 2 after the second section, and the second and last one involved 5 and 7, both after the third section. Now the dance. First section, weights on your left and start with your right. Big step, side, back, cross, big step, side, behind, side, cross, side, recover, cross, quarter, quarter, cross. Big section, big step, side, back, rock, big step, back, rock, big step, turn 1 quarter right, back, recover, step, half, run, run. Big section, press forward, recover, back swift, behind, quarter right, crazy walk, left over right, right over left, left over right, step, half, step. Last section, full turn forward, rock, recover, back swift, sailor 1 quarter side, cross, count, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we start the new one. So this is the whole dance. Hope you like it, and we'll see you next time.